Hey everyone, welcome back to Code of the Row. In this video, we're going to be going over the Synty 10th birthday sale, which is starting from July 22nd. So at the time of making this video, for the next 10 days. Every single day, one item will actually be 70% off, and it's going to change on a daily basis. So head over to syntystore.com. You can use my referral link in the description below and in the comments below if you want to support my channel. And currently there is quite a few on sale that we'll go over. And I'll show you a little project that I actually made using these assets. For the next 2 days, we got these simple packs that are 70% off, and then Polygon Dungeons pack, which I highly recommend. The Sci-Fi Space Military pack. Particle effects is for Unity only, so I don't recommend that because most of my audience is Unreal devs. And then, yeah, pretty much all from, actually everything after day 2 is really, really good, except for day 6. And currently, if you see the stuff on sale, you'll be able to see that there are a ton of packs on sale. So Dungeon Realms is actually one of the best packs in my opinion. They have animation locomotion, which is for Unity currently, but it is FBX, so you can just import it to Unreal and fix it up on your own. And yeah, they just have tons and tons of graphics and asset packs. These come with over 100 pieces each. There are just a ton of things that you can add to your game. And yeah, it seems like most of everything on the store is on sale. There's just a lot actually. Wow, yeah, I think everything actually is on sale. And yeah, you do have 10 days. And if you're going to get one of these specific ones, feel free to check out these on the specific day. They are going in New Zealand time because the company is based out in New Zealand. And now I'll show you a project that I created in Unreal Engine. So on my wizard character, I can talk to some NPCs, set up some HP stamina on the top left of my screen, on my UI. Can talk to this guy. I haven't made any craftable items yet. A little campfire, and I even have a treasure chest that I can get loot from. So this will just let me pick up some stuff. And I have a horse. Can ride this guy around. And you'll be able to see on my back, my cape and weapons do have some jiggle physics so that I can, it looks a bit more realistic, even though it's a low poly game. And I can even attack while I'm on my horse. And I made a couple enemies that I can go beat up. Oh, and there's also a daytime, nighttime system. So let's go ahead and take these guys out. A little execution animation that plays, and basically just stopping these goblin orc dudes from showing up. And the enemies are from Polygon Dungeons, but this wizard character that I'm using is from the Fantasy Kingdom pack. And yeah, thanks for watching Code of the Row. Like, subscribe. Feel free to check my affiliate link in the description and comments below. And yeah, thanks for watching Code of the Row. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Feel free to join the Discord, and please show me in the showcase channel what game you're making using these Synty assets.